traditions, and once you are under the protection of Dharma, nothing can harm you. Thank you, sir. Now, moving forward, it is time to welcome Madam Anju Ranjan, who is the Joint Secretary, Ministry of External Affairs. She is a senior IAF officer, as I mentioned before. She has held important diplomatic assignments, including Consul General of India in Edinburgh, various leadership roles in Nepal and Indonesia. Ms. Ranjan is recognized for her expertise in cultural diplomacy, international relations, and she is actively contributes to Indian cultural outreach and bilateral cooperation. We are very pleased to have you, madam. Please act as
Thank you, Elora, for this adequate introduction of mine. I don't deserve any of this. I'm a civil servant, so